Have you ever used a keyboard that made you want to keep typing long after your work was finished? That was my reaction when I first tried the AULA F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard. At first glance, it looks like another compact mechanical keyboard, but after spending time with its hot-swappable switches, tri-mode connectivity, RGB lighting, premium build quality, and satisfying typing sound, I quickly realized this keyboard offers far more than most products in its price range. If you're considering upgrading your setup, checking the latest deal through the link below may be worth it. The first thing that impressed me was the design. The 75% layout strikes a perfect balance between compactness and functionality. Unlike smaller keyboards that sacrifice important keys, the F75 Pro keeps the arrow keys and essential controls while freeing up valuable desk space. Whether you're gaming, working, coding, or studying, the layout feels comfortable and efficient. Typing on this keyboard is genuinely enjoyable. The pre-lubed Reaper switches deliver a smooth and consistent keystroke with a creamy, satisfying sound profile that keyboard enthusiasts often seek. Thanks to the advanced gasket-style structure, multiple sound-dampening layers, and pre-lubricated stabilizers, every key press feels soft, controlled, and premium. The keyboard produces a pleasant Thocky sound that makes typing sessions surprisingly addictive. One of my favorite features is the hot-swappable design. Users can replace switches without soldering, making customization simple even for beginners. Whether you prefer tactile, linear, or clicky switches in the future, the F75 Pro provides flexibility that many keyboards simply don't offer. Connectivity is another major highlight. The tri-mode system supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections. Switching between devices is quick and convenient, and the ability to connect multiple devices simultaneously is extremely useful. I was able to move between my desktop, laptop, and tablet with minimal effort. Battery life is equally impressive. The built-in 4000 mAh battery provides long-lasting wireless performance, reducing the need for constant charging. Even with RGB lighting enabled, the keyboard delivers reliable endurance for daily use. The RGB lighting system adds another layer of customization. With millions of color combinations and multiple lighting effects, users can create a setup that matches their personal style. The lighting looks vibrant without being overwhelming, and adjustments are simple thanks to the multifunction control knob. Speaking of the knob, it's one of the most practical additions. Volume control, media playback, brightness adjustment, and lighting customization can all be managed quickly without interrupting gameplay or workflow. The side-printed PBT keycaps also deserve recognition. They feel durable, resist shine from long-term use, and give the keyboard a unique modern appearance. Combined with the sturdy construction, the keyboard feels far more premium than its price suggests. After spending considerable time with the AULA F75 Pro, I came away genuinely impressed. The combination of excellent typing feel, creamy acoustics, wireless flexibility, hot-swappable customization, vibrant RGB lighting, and premium features creates a keyboard that appeals to gamers, students, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. For anyone searching for a mechanical keyboard that delivers performance, comfort, customization, and value in one stylish package, the AULA F75 Pro stands out as one of the best options currently available and easily exceeds expectations for its class.